Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to update your Wi-Fi driver on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button, then type Device Manager in the search bar. When you see Device Manager in the list, click on it to open. In the Device Manager window, look for the section called Network Adapters. Click the arrow next to it to expand the list. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. It may have a name like Intel, Realtek, or Qualcomm. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Now you'll see two options. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will now check your computer and the internet for the latest driver software. If it finds a new version, it will install it. This may take a few moments. If Windows says the best drivers are already installed, but you're still having issues, there's another step you can try. Right-click the Wi-Fi adapter again, and this time click Uninstall Device. A warning message will appear. Make sure the box that says Delete the driver software for this device is not checked. Then click Uninstall. After the device disappears from the list, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver after the restart. This method works for most users and is the fastest way to update your Wi-Fi driver on Windows 11 without downloading anything manually. If the issue is still not fixed, you may need to go to your computer manufacturer's website and download the latest driver from there. That's all you need to do to update your Wi-Fi driver quickly in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.